Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Windows security blank in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to go to search here, and then here you need to just write Windows security, and it will be this one, Windows security. And then what you need to do here is to go to app settings, and then you need to scroll down until you see reset basically bar here. And what you need to do here is to press repair, and after you press repair, then you need to press reset. And after that, you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to search again, and here you need to just write reg edit, right? And it will be here registry editor here. So on this one, what you need to do here is to copy this path. I will leave the basically command in the description below that you can easily copy. And once you do that, then you need to go on start, make sure that value is set to 3 and press OK. And after that, then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to right click on Windows icon here. Then you should see terminal and admin. So you need to press on that, and then you will get this window. And again, here I will leave the command in the description below what you need to copy, and just paste this command here, and then just enter the command, restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.